In this lecture, we are going to learn how to sketch a quadratic curve. For example, you are given two pattern here, y equal to ax square plus bx plus c, y equal to minus ax square plus bx plus c. When the coefficient of x square is positive, the shape of this curve is a happy face. When the coefficient of x square of a quadratic equation is negative, the shape of that curve is a sad face. Very easy to keep in mind. Now we will see examples. Here you can see two examples written on the board. We wrote two quadratic equations here and here. You can clearly see that this is a quadratic equation and here x multiplied by x, that means x square, the coefficient of x square is positive. So shape of this curve will be a happy face. Now what will be the axis intercepts? To find the axis intercepts, we must use the concept that at x-axis y equal to 0, that means this thing is 0. X minus 5 into x minus 1 equal to 0, x equal to 1 or 5. So this point is 1 and this point is 5. We found our x-axis intercept. Now what about y-axis intercept? We know that at y-axis x equal to 0. That means y equal to 0 minus 5 multiplied by 0 minus 1. That means 5. So if this is a y-axis, this point will be 5. We have sketched the graph of y equal to x minus 5 into x minus 1. We have shown the y-axis intercept, the x-axis intercepts, but yet we did not show the maximum or minimum point. You can see that this is the minimum point of a happy face, and in case of happy face or sad face, the x coordinate of the maxima or minima is the average of this and this. So 1 plus 5 divided by 2, that means 3. So this point is 3 on x-axis. What will be the coordinate of this point? This is 3. And what is the y coordinate of this? Y equal to x minus 5 into x minus 1. And at x equal to 3, 3 minus 5 multiplied by 3 minus 1. So the minimum value is minus 4. So the minimum point has a coordinate of 3 minus 4. This point is 1 0, this point is 3 0, this point is 5 0, and this point is 0 5. Now let's see another example, this time for sad face. You can see an example here, y equal to minus x plus 5 multiplied by x plus 3. You can see here that if you multiply this minus x with this x, you get a minus x square. That means the coefficient of x square is negative. So we will draw a shape of a sad face. This sad face have some x-axis intercept and y-axis intercept. At x-axis, we all know that y equal to 0, that means minus x plus 5 multiplied by x plus 3 equal to 0. That means the value of x is minus 3 and 5. Therefore, this point is minus 3, this point is 5. What about the y-axis? At y-axis, x equal to 0. That means y equal to minus 0 plus 5 multiplied by 0 plus 3. That means 8. This is y-axis and this point is 8. Now what about the maximum point? You can clearly see here that in the curve with a shape of sad face, this is the maximum point, and for the maximum point, the value of x coordinate is the mean value of this and this. So x coordinate of this point is 1. At maximum, x equals to 1, so y equal to minus 1 plus 5 multiplied by 1 plus 3. 4 multiplied by 4, that means 16. So the coordinate of the maximum point is 116. We have learned how to draw a quadratic function in a very easy way. Now what will you do if you are given a quadratic equation and if you are able to factorize it, you can sketch their curve very easily using this process. Now as my student, you need to do what? You need to practice them at least twice.